Thank you.
Hey, Dean Pratt's waiting for you on line 1, and he says it's really urgent.
You know what's actually really urgent?
This call with Dean Pratt. Like,
My house.
your house?
My house is literally sinking.
Like sinking?
Like sinking.
Like sinking, like the fall of the House of Usher.
Like sinking.
Like sinking.
Like sinking.
Oh my God, how's that even possible? What, do you live in a marsh? Oh.
Yup. Apparently, when there's a crack in your brick wall like that, it means your foundation is what?
That's
Dean Pratt. Hi. I can't actually take your call at the moment. Yes, I know I'm technically taking it, right? Listen, my house is sort of sinking.
Okay, you're not gonna figure this out today, all right?
I need to solve this today, otherwise who's gonna stop my house from sinking?
Good question.
Ah!
GoliathTech has an engineered foundation repair system using helical piles.
Oh, that sounds so expensive.
I mean, taking this call with Dean Pratt might be a great first step, you know?
Actually, GoliathTech's system will save you thousands over other foundation repair solutions, and we guarantee it will be done quickly and correctly the first time.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Come on, get the phone, come on.
Mr. Pratt? Mr. Pratt, hello. Hello, Mr. Pratt. Mr. Pratt. There are people in this world that are really not patient. Thanks.